So usually a sign that your frequency is lowering is because you are now an energetic match and you're on the frequency of doubt. When the doubt creeps in, it means that you need to turn up so that you can be a better match because your money frequency is here. Doubt is down here. So if you're starting to have doubt, you've let the frequency drop and you got to get back to work. And eventually you may start off where you drop, oh, you're out of the picture. You drop all the way down, right? And as you start to master this frequency, because we all come out of frequency, we all come out of alignment. There's a beauty in that. One, when you start to notice, like, oh shit, I'm out of alignment with what I want, right? My frequency has dropped. Ta-da! Because getting back in is so fucking amazing. It's not bad to fall out every once in a while, right? Because it's like being outside in 120-degree weather and you're burning up and then you jump in the water. It's amazing. It's cool. It's light. You're free. You're no longer burning. Everything is wonderful. The heat is not so bad. And then you get out of the heat, and for a few minutes, everything is okay, but it's different. And then you start to heat up again. And what happens is you'll start to jump back in that pool, right? Sooner and sooner. You won't stay out as long as you did the first time because you don't ever want to get that uncomfortable again. So that's sort of how adjusting your alignment and maintaining your faith is. Knowing that it's coming. And anytime that your faith is tested with doubt, it's because you've allowed your frequency to drop too low.